Unlocking the Secrets of College Essays. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an important topic for students aiming to further their education: college essays. These essays can be a pivotal part of your college application, and understanding what they are and how to craft them can make a big difference. So, let's get started. A college essay is a written composition that colleges and universities require as part of the application process. It's your chance to show the admissions committee who you are beyond your grades and test scores. It's about your personality, your experiences, and your values. The main goal of a college essay is to give the admissions officers a glimpse into your life. It's your opportunity to tell your story, share your unique experiences, and explain why you'd be a great fit for their institution. It's not just about impressing them, it's about being memorable and authentic. There are generally two types of college essays: the personal statement and supplemental essays. The personal statement is a broad essay that often includes prompts to guide your writing, while supplemental essays are specific to the college and usually ask why you want to attend that particular school or about a certain aspect of your life or interests. Start early and take your time. Understand the essay prompts. Be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not. Use a clear, concise, and organized structure. Proofread. Grammar and spelling mistakes can be costly. Get feedback from teachers, friends, or family. Avoid cliches and overused stories. Don't write what you think admissions officers want to hear. Stay away from controversial topics unless you can discuss them respectfully. Don't exceed the word limit. Plagiarism is a serious offense. Always write your own essay. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has shed some light on what college essays are and how you can approach writing them effectively. Remember, a college essay is a window into your world for the admissions committee. Make it count. Until next time, keep learning and good luck.